previous video, I have explained chapter 12, Heron's formula. What is a Heron's formula? Area of a triangle is equal to the square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b and c are the sides of a triangle, and s is the semi-perimeter. S is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Okay, now we will start exercise 12.1. Question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the side A. A traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the side A. A traffic signal board, it may be like this, a traffic signal board in the form of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is written here inside. A school ahead. School is there nearby. Nearby school is there. That is to show that there is a signal board. It is in the form of an equilateral triangle with the side A. Its all sides are equilateral triangle. What is by an equilateral triangle? So all sides are equal. That is called an equilateral triangle. So its side it is given there A. What is the first question? Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula, first we have to find out the area of this signal board. Area of the signal board we have to find out by using Heron's formula. So first we can find out that. After that we will see the second question. Next one more question is there. So first we will find out the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So first we have to write here sides of the triangle. A is equal to what is value? A. B is equal to A, and C is also A. Then after that we have to find out S. Therefore S is equal to what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to A plus A divided by 2. A is equal to A, B is equal to A, C is equal to A. So it will come A plus A divided by 2, that is equal to A plus A, 2A plus A, that is 3A divided by 2. That is the value of S. Therefore, area of signal board. Therefore, area of signal board is equal to what is the formula? We have to use the Heron's formula, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to, substitute value there, that is equal to square root of S is equal to, we got answer 3A by 2 into S minus A. S is equal to 3A by 2 minus A into S minus B. 3A by 2 minus B is equal to what is value? A into S minus C. 3A by 2 minus A will come. A, B, C value it is A only, so all it will come A. That is equal to square root of 3A by 2. We will write as it is, that is 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A. 3A by 2 minus A. That is subtracting two rational numbers, we have to take LCM. Okay, we will do in the right side. 3A by 2 minus A. What is LCM? 2 LCM, numerator. First rational number into LCM, 3A by 2 into 2 minus second rational number into LCM, that is A into 2. Here 2 we can cancel, remaining what is here? 3A minus A into 2, that is 2A divided by 2. 3A minus 2A, that is equal to A. 3A minus 2A, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into A only. So it will come A by 2. 3A by 2 minus A is equal to what is answer? A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A, that is same thing only. So what will come answer? A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A, that also is same only, that is A divided by 2. Then that is equal to 3A into A into A into A, that is square root of 3A into A into A into A divided by denominator 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. that is equal to, inside the square root, if two factors are same, then we can take out that a into, again two factors are same, a divided by 3 we cannot take out because 3 is only 1, but denominator this 2 we can take out. These two factors are same, so we can take out 1. Then these two factors are also same, that is also we can take out 1. It is in the denominator, so here you have to write in the denominator into 3 we cannot take out, so that we will write root 3. So a into a, what is the answer? A into a is equal to a square divided by 4. 2 2s are 4 into root 3. 2 2s are 4 into root 3. So that we can write answer, that is equal to root 3 a square divided by 4. A square into root 3, that is root 3 a square divided by 4. Root 3 a square divided by 4. That is the area of the signal board if its sides are a, that is an equilateral triangle. So this one we can use it as a formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle with the side a is equal to, what is the formula? Root 3 a square divided by 4. Then now we will see the second question. What is the second question? If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Then perimeter it is given here. Perimeter is equal to what is the value? 180 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 180 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C. That is sum of the three sides of a triangle, that is called the perimeter, or length of the boundary of a triangle, that is called the perimeter. So we can write A plus B plus C is equal to 180 centimeter. A is equal to A, B is equal to A, and C also A here. All the three sides are equal. It is A. A plus A is equal to, what is the answer? 180 centimeter. A plus A, 2A plus A, that is 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. A is equal to 180 into 3. 3 into A. 3A means 3 into A. Into 3 transposing to right side, it will become divided by 3 centimeter. A is equal to, what is the answer? 6 3s are 18, so it will come 60 centimeter. A is equal to 60 centimeter. Therefore, here question was, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, from the perimeter we got the one side of that equilateral triangle. So 60 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 60 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 180, that is the perimeter. So A is equal to, it will come 60 centimeter. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? What is the area of the signal board? Therefore, area of the signal board is equal to, area of the signal board is equal to, area of the signal board is equal to, what is the formula? Root 3 a square divided by 4. Root 3 a square divided by 4. That is equal to, we can write root 3 into a square. A is multiplied 2 times, that is 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter divided by 4. 60 divided by 2, 30. 4 divided by 2, 2. 60 divided by 2, it will come 30. 30 into 30, 3 3s are 9. 2 zeros are there. 900 root 3 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So the answer is 900 root 3 centimeter square. 900 root 3 centimeter square. That is the area of the signal board if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. Okay, dear children, write down this, and question number 2, do it as a homework. Now I will do question number 3. There is a slide in a park. A figure is there in the textbook. See that nicely. A slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." This one side it is painted and written there, "Keep the park green and clean." If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, if the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, then what is the question? find the area painted in color. Find the area painted in color. This area we have to find out. That is inside that triangle. So it is in the form of a triangle, and all the three sides it is given there, 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So we have to find out the area of that area painted in color, that we have to find out. So first we will write here A is equal to, what is value? 15 meter we can write. B is equal to 11 meter and C is equal to 6 meter. Now find out S. S is equal to semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. A is equal to 15 meter plus B is equal to 11 meter plus C is equal to 6 meter divided by 2. 15 plus 11. 15 plus 11, 26 plus 6, 32 divided by 32 meter divided by 2. That is equal to, what is answer? 16 meter. Then that is equal to. Now find out the area. Therefore now we can find out area. Area painted in color. Area painted in color. Area painted in color is equal to, what is the formula? Using Heron's formula only we can find out the area of that triangle. So formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now substitute value here. That is equal to square root of S. S is equal to, we got 16 meter into S minus A. 16 meter minus 15 meter into 16 meter minus B. B is equal to 11 meter into 16 meter minus C is equal to 6 meter. Then that is equal to square root of 16 meter into 16 meter minus 15 meter. 16 minus 15, that is 1 meter into 16 minus 11, that is equal to 5 meter into 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10 meter. Then that is equal to square root of 16 we can write as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 into 1 into 5, 5 into 10 we can write as 2 5s are 10 into, how many meters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Meter into meter into meter into meter. That is equal to, inside the square root, if two factors are same, then we can take out that 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, 5 we can take out that, into 2 we cannot take out, so it will be in the square root only, that is root 2. Meter into meter, meter into meter we can take out meter. That is equal to, what is answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 into root 2, 20 root 2, meter into meter, that is meter square. Meter into meter, meter square. So what is answer? 20 root 2 meter square. That is the area of the painted area of the region painted in the color. So dear children, write down that, and remaining questions we will do in the next video class. Thank you so much.